All right, those were 6 bars of my milk chocolate Lindt chocolate. And we're gonna go ahead and pop this in the oven at 250 for 5 minutes. All right, this was actually only in there for about 2 minutes. And you can tell it's ready because it's super shiny. And we are just gonna go ahead and grab our Christmas spatula and just spread that out so that we don't see that label anymore. Now I used milk chocolate, but you can use white chocolate, you can use dark chocolate, you can use whatever chocolate you like, but I think the milk chocolate is gonna go great with the theme that we're going for. So let's just go ahead and make sure this is nice and beautifully spread out on our sheet pan. Oh my goodness, okay, I think that looks perfect. All right, now I'm coming in with my gingerbread caramel dip. Ooh, and I did heat this up a little bit, and we are just gonna go ahead and kind of use our spatula and just put little glumps here and there. Don't worry, we will blend it in with that milk chocolate to get a beautiful milk chocolate gingerbread caramel dessert. Oh my goodness. Okay, we don't want to do too much because we still want to make sure that chocolate hardens. So we used about half of that container. Now we're just gonna kind of swirly whirly in it. Oh my goodness. Oh, it smells like Christmas in here. This dessert is so fun, so easy. Great if you want to make it for Santa on Christmas Eve, or if you have a holiday party that you want to, make a easy dessert potluck for work. This is gonna be the dessert you're gonna want. Oh, beautiful. Now, I'm just gonna add some Christmas sprinkles on here to add a little pop of color, but this is not it. This is not the finished product. We have the best things going along with this dessert. You guys will have to try this out. I think that's a great little layer. You can skip the sprinkles if you're not a fan of sprinkles, but I love sprinkles. Now this is a gingerbread dessert, so we gotta add some actual gingerbread men. So I'm just gonna add these little cookies right on top. I love these cookies. You can even crush them up and just add like some gingerbread crumbs on here if you don't like the big, actual cookies on here, but I personally love the cookies and it makes it such a fun dessert. People know exactly what they're getting into. That gingerbread caramel, I have not tried it. This is my first time using it. I think it's new to this year, but I am way too excited. I just found it at my local grocery store. All right, that looks perfect. For some freshness, I'm gonna add some raspberries. I think raspberry and gingerbread are a super fun combination. You could use a strawberry, a dried cranberry. You can use whatever fruit you want. You could skip the fruit. If you don't think fruit belongs on dessert, I totally understand it. Some people are just like that, but I love a fresh fruit, especially with this kind of dessert. Look how fun that's coming out. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. Last but not least, we have these fun gingerbread marshmallows. These are just gonna be tucked right in there next to our actual gingerbread men. I only had 4 left, but I just felt like they're gonna look so cute on this dessert. I wish I had one more, but you know what? This is ready. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge for 2 hours. All right, you guys, it's been 2 hours in the fridge, and this is ready. That chocolate's completely hardened. We're just gonna kind of get right underneath it and break our pieces off. Now it won't fully harden because of that caramel, but the bottom should be good to go. We're just gonna go ahead and break off pieces and display it for our guests. Oh my goodness, this looks absolutely delicious, right babe?
Oh my goodness, look at that. I can't wait to try it.
This looks so yummy. I think I'm gonna go for this little gingerbread piece right here.
Is it good?
So good.